Adding a throw delay to your lead vocal line is a great way to inject drama without cluttering up the track. Here's 3 ways to do it. Here's a clip from the song The Hot Wind Blowing from the Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance soundtrack. Really cool line. It offers a lot of opportunities to throw in some throw delay. So let's begin. The first way to do it would be to actually use a plugin that you can kind of set and forget as a dynamic delay plugin. Pro Tools has one. It's called Air Dynamic Delay. Your DAW probably already has one as well.
Here I am, dirty and faceless, waiting to heed your instruction. On my own, invisible warrior, I am a wind of destruction.
Really cool. The second way to do it would be to actually send the track to an auxiliary track, and you can automate the volume on that track so the delay only comes in when you want it to come in. This gives you a little bit more control over it, and if you want it to be a little bit higher in some parts and more discrete in some other parts. So let's set this up. So we created an auxiliary stereo track. On the input, we're going to call it throw delay. We're going to send the lead vocals full volume to the throw delay, and then on the auxiliary track, we are going to put a delay plugin. I think a quarter note delay should be fine. We're going to set the feedback up pretty generously. Just know that it's only going to be going when the volume automation's up, so it doesn't really matter. Let's listen to it without the automation so you can see what's going on. This is as if a plugin's applied directly to the track. You can see it gets pretty messy. You can see the delay's really kind of stomping all over the lead vocal. So we're going to turn the volume automation all the way down, and then we are going to pick parts that we want it to come out. So I think this first part's really cool. Here I am. So we're going to go am. Here I am. So we're to have it come out right about here. Maybe right here. Might be a little bit too much, but let's see. Faceless. So we're going to put it about right here. You can kind of watch for the pockets in the audio to give you ideas of where you might be able to do it too. We know we're going to put one here. So it's going to be instruction. This pocket here gives us an opportunity to throw in a throw delay. And so you can kind of sing it. Maybe here. It's probably a little too much, but we're going to throw it here anyway. Whoa, yeah. Wind of destruction. Of course, we're going to have it there. We'll have it keep going here. Let's listen to that. Soloed.
Here I am, dirty and faceless, waiting to heed your instruction. On my
Let's hear it in context with the music.
Here I am, dirty and faceless, waiting to heed your instruction.
So from there, what you can do is you can EQ this, you can roll off some highs on the delay, you can modify when it comes in, you can ramp it in. So here, like if you feel like it's coming in too quickly, you can ramp it. So you can gives it a little bit more of a subtle intro. Anyway, so you get the idea. The next way is to actually manually add the audio as a delay on a separate track, which is a really cool way. It's one of my favorite ways. Not only does it kind of like make it so you can have the most creative control, you save your computer's DSP, and it's really awesome. So I'll show you how to do it. It's exactly what you think. So we have an audio track up here, and it's just a regular old mono track ready for audio. And we want amp to be there. So we're going to take less, faceless, and put it here. So maybe struction might sound bad. Cool. Oh, we know we want all my own. I try to stay on the beats too, so let's just keep it on the beats. So own. So Invisible Warrior. So let's do yeah. Okay, so in my opinion, that might be the coolest one, and it was completely free. So after that, you can take an EQ to that, which I'm going to do now. Maybe I'll roll off a little bit of the high, so it doesn't sound like an exact copy of the lead. It'll give it a little radioed effect. If you want it to be aggressive, you can throw on a distortion plugin. You can do really anything you want. You might want to put a little bit of ramping in so they aren't so choppy when they come in. That makes you feel good. Sounds good. So let's hear that.
Here I am, dirty and faceless, waiting to heed your instruction. On my own, invisible warrior, I am a wind of destruction.
In this original track here, when I uploaded it to YouTube, you can see that I do use this technique. Because I could not figure out how to set my delay to get it exactly how it was in the original. So I did this. So I did that. I had actually a delay to that just so it, I don't know why, but I finally got the sound I wanted by copying and pasting it. So those are the 3 ways to add throw delays. I hope this really helps you guys create some cool music. I really encourage you to try this 3rd way because not only is it free, you don't have to buy a plugin, it saves computer space, it allows you to be more creative, and I think you're actually going to get a better product than using a plugin. So anyway, take care guys, till next time.